There you have it, two-wheeled friends. A 2019 Road King Special with the 114. I've been keeping this bike a secret now for a few weeks. Those of you that have been following the channel for a while know that I had a 2007 Road King Classic, and I sold that bike. So let's roll the intro. We'll come back, we'll jump on this beautiful black Road King Special, and we'll go for a ride, and we'll talk a little bit about how I ended up with this bike. So I am out here at the beautiful Terry Redlin Art Center. Big, massive building. Terry Redlin was a local wildlife artist. He passed away here, well, it's been a few years back, but very, very talented. If you are not familiar with Terry Redlin, look up some of his paintings. Very lifelike paintings. So the reveal video of the new bike. So like I said, this is a 2019 Road King Special. I have been toying around the idea about getting a bike like this for a while. This is actually a bike that I have wanted for a little while. Just never had the opportunity to find kind of that hot deal and really what I'm, you know, where it falls into place. So I kind of was eyeing this bike and thought, you know what, I will put my 2007 Road King Classic up for sale, and we will just see if there's any interest on it at all. I don't know if this light's going to change for me. Oh yeah, it's got a camera lens. So I put the 2007 Road King Classic on Facebook Marketplace, and the next day I had a young gentleman message me and start asking some questions. He came out to my place in a blizzard and looked at it. Wasn't able to ride it just because of the weather, and he told me he was gonna check on his finances and get back to me. Well, in the meantime, I found this bike and thought, okay, well, we'll just see what we can do on this. And if I sell the other one right away, I sell it. If I don't, I'll have two Road Kings for a little bit. No big deal. So I started messaging this guy. He lived, oh boy, I don't know, must be, it's about 2.5 hour drive from here. I forget how many miles that is, but started messaging him and asking a bunch of questions. Found out that this motorcycle had 688 miles on it for 2019. So 2 model years old. It's like a brand new bike. So we got chatting some more and told him, hey, I'm coming down halfway close to you on this upcoming Saturday. Let me see what I can do. So I shot him an offer, and we kind of come to some terms. I feel like I got a very exceptional bike at a very exceptional price. He felt like he was able to move on and it was a fair deal. And in the meantime, I was working with this gentleman on my 2007, and his financing all came together at the same time mine did, which was like this was meant to be. So the Saturday that I brought this bike home, my 2007 went to its new home. So that's why I say it was meant to be. I mean, I can't believe how it just all fell into place. I would describe this motorcycle as my dream bike. My style, if you have watched any of my previous videos, I've talked about it, that my style is black on black. I mean, my pickup has black paint with black wheels and some light silver type aluminum chrome accents, whatever it is, you know, just to get that silver little touch to it. So I feel like this is my bike. Not that I didn't like the looks of my Road King Classic, because I did. I really love that bike. I like the chrome look on those classics. The chrome just isn't completely my style, and I never really wanted to personalize that bike exactly how I want. Now with this bike, I feel like it's a brand new bike. I mean, it's new to me, but with 688 miles on it, I feel it's a brand new bike, and I can make it mine exactly how I want. Everything on this bike is stock motor-wise. The exhaust is stock. These bars are a 12-inch bar. I don't know the exact name of the bar. All I know is he had the Harley dealership put them on. Took the factory off, put these 12-inch on. Put different grips, which I really like. So he put that style on. It's got the highway pegs. There is a rider backrest, there is a passenger backrest, and there is a luggage rack that is all detachable that came with this bike as well. Plus there are the little zip over, I don't know exactly what the term for it is, but the little covers that go onto the engine guard to help block the wind. And then there's some saddlebag duffel bags, the linings that go in the saddlebags that he also included. So like I said, you know, without disclosing what I paid, I feel like I got a very exceptional deal. I know if I were to buy this bike at a dealership, I would have paid at least $5,000 more than what I did. So I know I got a good deal, and I am happy about it. I was a little concerned about how this hydraulic clutch would be, but you know, I have no issues. These bars, when I got the bike, were pulled back a little bit, actually quite a bit. So I pushed them forward, and with that I'm able to grab this clutch a lot easier, because the way it was before, it kind of hurt my hand. But now I feel very, very comfortable on it. I do have a new slip-on exhaust at home that I will be installing and doing a video on that when the time comes. And I'm hoping that this camera angle is a good angle, because it's completely new and got to get used to it. So those of you that have been messaging me asking, did you sell your other bike? What did you get? Now you know. If you're sad about the 07 leaving, I'm sorry, but the 19's around to stay for a while. I do have some plans that I want to do to it. Nothing major at this time, and nothing in probably the immediate future. We'll just do a couple little things here and there as funding allows. So I appreciate you all watching this video. If you are new to the channel, please go down and click that subscribe button, ring the bell so you're notified for future uploads and activities. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this 2019 Road King Special. And come back for future videos and ride along with me on this bike. I plan to go a lot of places with this bike. So until next time, peace out. and we will see you later. Bye bye.